Yes. Hi all. I am Mr. Shivaganavara Prasad. I have aptitude trainer having an experience of 14 years. Now in this video, what I am going to explain. See, the Goldman Sachs company recruitment drive has been conducted in the month of February in the year of 2021. So what are the aptitude questions which are asked in that drive? Those solutions I'm going to explain. So the section called numerical computations, that is nothing but more are like aptitude questions. So those questions I will explain. The main objective of preparing this video is to give a best idea for the preparation of upcoming drives of the Goldman Sachs. What kind of questions, what topics that the students or the aspirants wants to cover, wants to prepare more, right? Such kind of information will definitely helpful for your quick preparation and best preparation. Remember, my dear viewers, it is not important to prepare all the topics which are there in the aptitude section. It is important to prepare the best topics or the important topics or the most frequently asked topics, or where the chance of getting the question from that topic is more than 95%. If from the particular topic, if the chance of getting the question from this topic is more than 95%, such kind of topics you need to prepare. Keeping in view of all these things, while preparation your aptitude, you can prepare in a best way. In a best way, in the sense, the important topics are most frequently asked topics. In those topics, the candidate has to put more time so that there is a chance to crack the placements, right? So without wasting much time, let us start the first question. There are three slots of washing machines, each containing five defective features. Right? The first slot containing five defective pieces. Total how many? 12, which means 7 are what? Working mode. Total are 12. Right? In the second lot also five defective pieces and 7 in working mode, perfectly working mode, which means total are given as 12. In the third lot also 5 defective pieces, 7 are working mode, total are 12, right? Okay. For testing purposes, a sample of two washing machines were picked up at random. Two washing machines are picked up from random, okay, from a lot, okay, and are working. Let's keep it in mind. Then only shopkeeper will accept the lot. Okay, what will be the probability of accepting all three slots? The probability of accepting all three slots is simply probability of accepting first slot as well as a probability of accepting second lot, as well as a probability of accepting third lot. First I will calculate the probability of accepting first lot. There are 12 available, in that we need to pick 2. Total cases are 12C2, and the 2 picked which should be working mode, there are 7 working mode, we need 2, that is 7C2. Favorable cases divided by total cases. 7C2 is nothing but 7 into 6 by 2 divided by 12C2, 12 into 4, 2 gets cancelled, that's why I'm not writing, which is nothing but 6 twos. This is nothing but 7 by 4 twos are 8, 7 by 8. Somewhere I went wrong. This is 12 into 11, sorry. This is 12 into 11, n into n minus 1 by 2, 12 into 11. So this is nothing but 7 by 22, which means the probability of selecting first lot is 7 by 22. As the number of defective and working are same in other lots, so the probability of picking other lots also 7 by 22, which means probability of selecting first lot is 7 by 22 into probability of selecting second lot is also 1 by 22 into probability of selecting third lot is also 7 by 22, which is nothing but 7 by 22 whole power 3. Is there an options? Yes, perfect. One of the finest questions asked from the probability, right? It means you have to prepare well for the probability questions. For the drive of Goldman Sachs, they are offering a best salary package, a good salary package. The ratio of the balls in the three boxes is 6 is to 8 is to 9. Okay, that's okay. In what ratio should be the balls in the second and third boxes be increased? Second and third boxes should be increased so that the final ratio becomes 1 is to 3 is to 4. Final ratio should become 1 is to 3 is to 4. In what ratio the balls in the second and third boxes should be increased? Which means the number of balls in the first box are constant. The number of balls in the first box are constant. So this is the reason why what I am doing is I just want to make this 6 balls and these 6 parts and this one part should be same because that is constant. Number of balls in the first box is constant. For that purpose I am multiplying this ratio by 6. 6 into 1 is to 3 is to 4, which is nothing but 6 is to 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. 6 4s are 24, which means the number of balls in the second box is 8. Now it becomes 10, which 18, which means 10 balls are added. The number of balls in the third box is 9. Now it will become 24, which means how many balls are added? How many balls are added? 15 balls are added. 15 balls are added, which means the ratio is 5 2s 5 3. So 2 is to 3. Very simple question, not that much level question. Very simple question. Now a group of workers including some male and some female. A worker, whether a male or a female, can fill a canal 10 times as fast as he can dig, right? A worker, whether he is a male or a female, right, can fill a canal 10 times as fast as digging, right? Filling rate is 10 times more than digging rate. Filling rate is 10 times. Filling rate is 10 times more than digging rate. This is what is giving digging rate. Filling rate is 10 times more than digging rate. Okay, reverse is okay, 10 times less, that's okay. It is known that one male 7 female can dig a canal. This is dig a canal in 6 days. Okay, dig a canal in 6 days. 6 days. Okay, while one male and 3 female, one male and 3 female can fill a canal, in 1 day. One male and 3 female can fill a canal in 1 day. Okay, how many days will one male and one female takes to digging? He is asking for digging a same canal. Okay, this is what he is asking. If the efficiency of all the male is same as the efficiency of all female is the same, but the efficiency of the male is not equal to efficiency of female, and okay, whether okay everything is perfect, whether the digging or filling. Okay, now keep it in mind students, here the digging and filling both are should be considered. Okay, now the important clue is this one. From this we can change the capacity of the filling into capacity of digging. Now he is asking finally about digging. So that is the reason why I am changing this one in terms of digging. One male and 3 female can fill in 1 day. Okay, if it is digging, then definitely one male plus 3 female, this group should be into 10, which means 10 male and 30 female can dig a canal in 1 day. because the filling rate is 10 times more than digging rate. That is the reason why if you want the digging rate is 10 times less, digging rate is 10 times less than filling, so digging rate is less, so we need more manpower, we need more manpower in case of digging. That is the reason why. Okay, that is the reason why for filling into digging we need more manpower. How much more manpower? 10 times more manpower. 10 times more manpower is needed, which means this is 10 male plus 30 female can dig a canal in one day. Beautiful. So from this what we can write, let us say this is equation 1. From equation 1 what we can write, 6 male plus 7 6 are 42. 42 female can dig a canal in one day. This everybody knows how it will comes. Okay, now from this and from this what we can write, digging a canal in one day, this is also digging a canal one day. So I'm equating this one, these two, 10 male plus 30 female, this group is equal to 6 male plus 42 female. 42 male, 10 male 6 male, 4 male is equal to 42 female 30, which is nothing but a 12 female, 4 threes, which means the capacity of one male is equal to 3 times of capacity of a female. One male is equal to 3 female. This is what the relation we are looking for, right? One male is equal to 3 female. Okay, now this is what he is asking. In case of male, I am going to put female. One male is equal to 3 female. This is 3 female plus 1 female, which means 4 female indirectly. 4 female takes how much time to dig the canal? 4 female takes how much time to dig the canal? This is what. Okay, let us make use of the first equation again. In case of one male, we can put 3 female. 3 female plus 7 female. 3 female plus 7 female can dig the canal in how many days? 6 days. Which means 10 female takes 6 days. 10 female takes 6 days. Okay, so from this I am writing like this, which means one female takes how much time? 10 into 60, 10 into 6, 60 days. Now we need 4 female, we need 4 female. 4 female takes 60 by 4, which means 15 days. The answer is 15 days. Fantastic question. The answer is 15 days. The answer is 15 days. Right? Superb question. The main heart of the question is this clue. Rest of the question is easy. Very good quality question from the topic of time, speed, distance. My dear viewers, whatever the company for that you are writing the aptitude written test, the chance of asking the question from time and work is 100%. There is no aptitude question paper without time and work question. That is the reason. So you must prepare this topic. Minimum of 100 questions you have to practice, so that you will get the best ideas or good ideas or fast ideas, and you can react quickly in the examination. Yeah, Arjun, Ankit, Anil can complete a task in 40, 50, 64 days respectively. Okay, 40, 60. Now I'm going to take the LCM of 40, 50, sorry. LCM of 40, 50, 64. Amar is twice efficient as Arjun. Amar is twice efficient as Arjun. Arjun takes 40 days. Amar is twice efficient, which means Amar takes half of the time of Arjun, which means 20 days. So these are the time taken by Arjun and Ankit, Arjun, Ankit, Anil and Amar. So if we take the LCM of these time taken, 40, 50, 64, 24, so 60, 1600. 1600 is the LCM. This I am assuming as a time total work. Now let us say the calculate the efficiencies are 1 day work. 1 day works of each person. 1 day work. Arjun 1 day work. 600 by 40. 40 work in 1 day. Now 1 day work of Ankit. Ankit 1 day work. 1600 by 50, which is nothing but 32 work in 1 day. And now this is Ankit. Next this is Anil. Anil 1 day work. 1600 divided by 64, which is nothing but 25. 25. Next person is Amar. Amar 1 day work. 1600 by 20, which is nothing but 80 work. So these are the 1 day works of these 4 persons. All of them worked together for 5 days. Right? These are all worked together for how many days? 5 days. Okay. In 5 days, how much work is completed? 5 into 40 plus 32, 72. 72 plus 25 plus 80, which is nothing but 175. Right? 5 into 175, which is nothing but 885. 885 work was finished in 5 days by doing all. Now the remaining work is how much? 1600 minus 885. That comes out to be 715. This 715 is the remaining work. This is the remaining work. This is the remaining work. Okay. Now Arjun and Anil worked together for few days alone, completed the task. 715 is the work. Right? Who did Arjun? Who did Arjun and Anil together? Arjun and Anil together. Arjun 1 day 40. Anil 1 day 25. 40 plus 25, which is nothing but 65. Which means they takes how much time? 11 days. Which means they complete the work in 11 days. Okay. If Amar was paid 1920 for his work, then how much amount of Anil? See, my dear viewers, the amount or the wages should be shared in terms of work done. In terms of work done. In terms of work done. Here the candidates are Amar and Anil. Okay. Amar is to Anil. Anil. Okay. Amar how many days worked? 5 days. Each day how much work? Amar 80. Which means this is okay. Now Anil. Anil here 5 days and here 11 days. Total is 11 plus 5, 16 days he worked. Anil. In each day Anil can do 25. Okay. Okay. So 5, right, this is nothing but 1:1. Upon cancellation you will get 1:1 ratio, which means whatever the amount that Amar received, the same amount Anil also received. Ratio of work done is 1:1. In the same ratio, amounts also should be shared. So Amar takes 1920 rupees. Anil also has to take 1920 rupees. That's the beautiful question. Very good quality question. No doubt, undoubtedly good quality question. Efficiencies are covered, ratio and wages are also covered. Fantastic question. Two machines together to produce 35,000 biscuits in a day. Okay, let us say the machines are, let us say machine A and machine B, both together will produce 35,000 biscuits in a day. Due to some maintenance issues, one of the machines stopped working for few hours. Okay, due to maintenance, one of the machines stopped working for few hours. Would you reduce its contribution in the production by 20%? In order to compensate it, other machine worked for 50% more speed. Find the production by the first machine individually on a normal day. Good quality question. Only thing is due to maintenance problem, the first machine stops is working. So that what happens? The production of 20% of the first machine is reduced. reduced. Due to that, what happens? 50% second machine has to work more, which means the 20% of the first machine production is equal to 50% of second machine production. That's it. 20% with the 20% speed, right? See here, which reduces its contribution by 20 in production by 20%. In order to compensate it, other machine has to work 50% more. 50% more, right? The contribution of these two are same. Now, the production of number of biscuits in this and the production of number of biscuits in this both are same. Both are same. This is 20%, this is 50%. Machine A and machine B. Now from this what we can get? 100 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled. We will get B is equal to 0.4a. B is equal to 0.4a. Okay, if we substitute this one, B is equal to 0.4a. 0.4a, that is nothing but 35,000. Okay, so which means the production of A is 35,000 whole divided by 1.4. 1.4. Make use of the on-screen calculator. I got 25,000. 25,000. Good question. Production of A individually 25,000. Production of A 25,000. So production of B will be 10,000. 35 minus 25. Right. Those are the production rates in a particular day. Because of the rate of production is different, that is the reason why 20% of A is equal to 50% of B. Yeah. Let A be the set of three natural numbers which are leaving a remainder 5 and 6 when they are successfully divided by 7 and 8 respectively. And set B is set of numbers, set of two-digit numbers, natural numbers, which are leaving the remainder 3 and 4 when they successfully divided by 5 and 6. Find the number of total relations from set A to set B. First of all, I will find the number of terms in set A. So what about the set A? Set A is in such a way that when divided by 7, the remainder is 5. When divided by 8, the remainder is 6. Successive division. Now first of all, I would like to calculate the general number of this category. For that, I am here assuming x, right? General number. Now what is the number here? 8x plus 6. There 8x plus 6. Here 8x plus 6. Nothing. 8x plus 6. Now here what is the number? 8x plus 6. Here the number is 8x plus 6. The remain 8x plus 6 multiplied by 7. Remainder is how much? 5. Remainder is how much? 5. Right, which is nothing but 7 8s are 56. 56x 42 plus 5, which is nothing but 47. This is the general number of this category. This category in the sense, when divided successively by 7 and 8, the remainders are 5 and 6. Okay. Now set A numbers are what? 3-digit numbers. If x is equal to 1, what is the first number? 56 plus 47, which is nothing but 103. For x is equal to 2, 56 into 2, that is 112 plus 47, which is nothing but 159. This difference is how much? 56, which is the common difference. Common difference, right? Now, and so on. Let us randomly take for x is equal to 17. For x is equal to 17. 56 into 17 plus 47. Let us use the on-screen calculator. 56 into 17 plus 47, which comes out to be 999. Right? Since it is a 3-digit number, this is the last number. So set A, how many numbers from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 17, which means 17 numbers are there. 17 numbers are there. Let it be small a. Set A consisting of how many numbers? 17 numbers. 17 numbers. Okay, 17 numbers which are of this category, which means when divided by 7 remainder is 8 5, when divided by 8 remainder is 6. Cool. Now set B, this is also successive division. Set B, what kind of number? When divided by 5 the remainder is 3, and when divided by 6 the remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. Let us take here y for calculation of general number. Here the number is how much? 6y plus 4. 6y plus 4. Now here the number is 6y plus 4 multiplied by 5, and the remainder is how much? Plus 3. This is nothing but simply this one. This number is nothing but divisor into coefficient plus remainder. This is what I was written here every time, right? Divisor into coefficient plus remainder, right? 6 5s are 30, 30y 20 plus 3 23, right? 23. Okay, these are the two digit numbers, which means for y is equal to 0 the first number is 23, for y is equal to 1 the second number is 53, for y is equal to 2 60 plus 23, that is nothing but 83. If I put y is equal to 3, I will get 3 digit number. How many numbers? Only 3 numbers. Set B consisting of how many numbers? 3 numbers. Let us say this is a small b. Now the number of total relations from set A to set B. Number of total relations from set A to set B, which is nothing but 2 power A into B. Remember, very important. Number of relations from set A to set B is nothing but 2 power AB, where A is the number of terms in set A and B is the number of terms in set B. 2 power A is 17, B is 3, which is nothing but 2 power 51. A beautiful question, right? Beautiful question, which blended the topics of successive division as well as set theory. This is the end of my first session or part 1 of the numerical computation questions, which are asked in the Goldman Sachs 2021 examination, right? So this video will give a clear idea about the preparation plan for Goldman Sachs also, right? I will come up with the part 2 later as soon as possible, right? Please subscribe and share my YouTube channel so that someone will get benefited from this activity. This is only thing that I'm expecting from your side, my dear viewers. Thank you one and all.